Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how the Garnier Bright Complete set feels and applies on your skin. So first I'm going to be starting with the Bright Complete Vitamin C Face Wash Scrub. And this scrub contains vitamin C and lemon extract. It is important to note that the scrub is not smooth. It has very tiny bits, so it's a bit rough, but it's so gentle on the skin too. I like how it sits properly, so thick, and you mere looking at it as it rubs, it's going to be foamy. So when I add water to lather it, as you can see, it's so foamy and it does a proper job of cleansing and exfoliating. So this is very good. And of course also brightens you at the same time. So yeah, so when we are done with the face scrub, next I'm going to go in with the Bright Complete Brightening Moisturizing Serum Milk UV. So this body cream contains UV filters. It is not a sunscreen, it just helps you filter the rays from UV rays, right? But you still need a sunscreen. But anyways, so it's always advisable to apply your lotion to damp skin. So I'm applying to my damp skin. However, when you apply to damp skin, you have to do a proper job of really rubbing it in. So as you can see, the cream is lightweight. It does a very good job of applying without leaving that stickiness or that sticky feeling. So next I'm going to clean it and apply it to dry skin, so you can see how it applies both ways. Yeah. My hands are slippery. Okay, so applying to dry skin, as you can see. This lotion is a brightening moisturizing lotion with 2 times lemon extract for all skin types, normal to dry skin. This will sit properly on your skin. So guys, which of these will you be shopping?